Hi, I'm Adrienne Moore, and I lead supplier diversity for Schnuck Markets. Thank you for joining me today on I'll Try It For You. On I'll Try It For You, I try various products from diverse-owned businesses that we carry in many of our Schnuck stores. And today's I'll Try It For You item is Bold Spoon Creamery ice cream. And guess what? We have the founder of Bold Spoon Creamery, Rachel Burns, here with us today.
So happy to be here with you.
Thank you for joining me, Rachel.
My pleasure.
I'm so excited. Schnucks carries 4 of your flavors.
Indeed.
We have vanilla creme brulee, goat cheese and fig, lemon curd, and salted chocolate.
So one of the cornerstones of our ice creams is that we do not use any artificial colorings or flavorings. It's all just real ingredients. And we also do pair with other local vendors for some of our flavors as well. Here is the goat cheese and fig. It's goat cheese from Beachy Farm, which is sold in Schnucks as well. You gonna let me try too?
No. It's very unique. It's delicious. I hope you heard it is made right here in Missouri.
Indeed.
So a local product. When you buy Bold Spoon Creamery ice cream, you're also supporting a local Missouri-made product. Schnuck shoppers, you have got to try these ice creams. They are fabulous. Rachel, thank you so much for joining me today on I'll Try It For You. Thank you for joining me on I'll Try It For You. Stay tuned for our next edition. And as always, thank you for shopping at Schnucks.